Hello guys, welcome back on Deutsch Motorsports. Today we are here at the Paris Motor Show. We are here on the Audi stand and we're gonna start with this brand new little Audi A1. Fantastic looking this red color. So we're gonna have a quick look at the outside and the inside so you can really feel what to have with this car. So let's have a look at the outside. So we have completely redesigned Audi A1. Still we can recognize it is the smallest model of Audi. We have here the Audi A1 with this S-line package, so it looks kind of aggressive. We have some nice front bumper, so we can see here on the front it looks really aggressive. We have some nice vents on the side, that lip black glossy lip here and there. We have also the black Audi logo, black lights which have a really nice look with the LED running lights. We have also here just under the bonnet some nice vents. We could just look more aggressive. So in this version we also have some nice white painted wheels, and with the red color of the body it looks just amazing. So here at the back of the car we have a new design. We have new headlights, new bumper, and in this combination of red and glossy black we have some really nice looking A1. We have that aggressive bumper at the back. We have all the logos and letterings are in glossy black, also the Audi badge. We have full LED backlights. On the side we have also that nice side skirt, making just the car looking great, really aggressive. Also this little spoiler. Let's have a look at the inside. So here inside we have a completely new design. We have the new steering wheel. The dashboard is completely different. We don't have anymore that pop-up screen. We have that really nice touch screen here, pretty big. Climate control just here under. We have some buttons here that I select for the driving modes. In this version we have the S Tronic 7 speed automatic transmission. Steering wheel is really nice looking. You have that really small airbag in the middle, and really when you grab it you feel that you just want to go for a aggressive ride with this car. Here on the driver dashboard we have a completely digital dashboard, and you can personalize it the way you want. And you see with the new design it's pretty angular. You don't have any more round shapes. You have only angular shaped elements, and it looks just pretty nice. It changes from the old one which was more roundy. In the driving modes we have the classics ones. We have efficiency, automatic, dynamic. So you choose the one you prefer. You can also personalize the individual one the way you want to feel a car. So you just have to choose. In this version we have a really nice audio system. You have the Bang & Olufsen, which is pretty cool to have. Nice pedal shifts. The seats are also S-line seats. They are pretty comfy. You really feel it grabs your back really good, and it is nice to see and to feel.